are going to have debt obligations next month and month after. And
are you going to be able to make that?
We have requested Secretary General today. We have spoken to European leaders to help us in Paris Club, to get us moratorium, relief. Unless we get substantial relief, how can the world expect from us to stand on our own feet? It is simply impossible, next to impossible. The world has to stand by us. And there is a yawning gap between our ask and what is available. Please, through your cameras, have this yawning gap bridged, and bridged very quickly at lightning speed. Otherwise, time and tide wait for none.
Debt swaps, debt suspensions, are those in discussions right now?
In the shape of epidemic. It is waiting for us. Please help us in avoiding this disaster. If, God forbid, that happens.
Here's one to go. Any progress on restarting the U.S. security assistance? Some of these we can make rather short.
No, I never asked for any assistance.
Okay.
I would like to have a relationship as equals, of friendship, not as it has been before, where Pakistan has sort of been, it's like Pakistan wanting aid from the US, and then as for aid, Pakistan is expected to do certain things. And, someone asked that, will you get this fund? I hate the idea that we would be asking for funds, not US, from anyone. Because aid has been one of the biggest curses for my country. What it has done is, it has created the dependency syndrome. We have become, when I went on my first trip to Saudi Arabia, I came back, what have you got from there? As if I'd gone there to beg for money. And I think it's humiliating for a country. Countries rise because of self-respect and self-esteem. No countries rise by begging and borrowing for money. So my relationship with the US would be, I would like a relationship with, a dignified relationship with the US. Because here was a country which was supposed to be an ally, and our ally did not trust us. So as a Pakistani, for every Pakistani it was humiliating. We never want to be in that same position again. We want to have a relationship of friendship. And it doesn't matter, friend can be rich and the other can not be so rich. But so what? It's about a dignified relationship, and that's what I hope to have with the US.
I'd like to present you with a small token of our appreciation for your visit here. Invite you to come back and wish you all the best. Please join me in thanking the Prime Minister.